Wenzhou is the birthplace of Chinese private economy. Wenzhou people are known for their special ability to endure hardship, particularly in business. They are well known at home and abroad. Huguan Group was born in this magic land of reform. For over 20 years, it has become a high-tech enterprise group under the guidance of Chairman Yuan Huajiang and President Yuan Zheng. Huguan Group mainly specializes in producing power transformers with voltage level up to 220 kilovolts. The main products are immersed power transformer, dry-type transformer, amorphous alloy transformer, mining transformer, reactor, high and low voltage electrical equipment, wire and cable, vacuum switch, meter box, etc. Huguan Group now covers an area of 800 acres, annual output value $10 billion. It possesses 8 sub-companies: Ningbo Dongbo Electricity Power Technology Company, Anhui Electrical Company, Jiangsu Dahe Electrical Company, Fujian Dahe Electrical Company, Zhejiang Dongrui Energy Saving Technology Company, Zhejiang Kexingda Electrical Science Company, and other over 300 cooperative enterprises. In January 2010, it passed the National Grid Procurement Supplier Qualification, became the designated supplier for the third rural power grid construction and upgrading, showing strong vitality and developmental potential. Huguan aims at the whole situations, pays attention to details, and pursues independent research, development and innovation for products. The successful development of mining explosion-proof, dry-type transformer and mobile substation has gained the National Industrial Production License Permit. SGC-10 C-type non-encapsulated dry-type transformer has won national patent. SBH-15 amorphous alloy environmental protection transformer was identified as green transformers in 2008. In 2009, it won the awards from State Ministry of Industry and Information. In 2010, Anhui Economic and Information Department experts proved. Top 500 Chinese private enterprises. State Torch Program. Zhejiang High-Tech Enterprises. Anhui High-Tech Enterprises, Zhejiang well-known firm, practice and training basis for civil service agencies, high-tech industry promoting product, 3A level test credit enterprise, Yueqing City Transformer Industry Association units. Today, with nearly 20-year experiences in transformer manufacturing, Huguan launches the latest transformer products through technical innovation for global customers. Huguan comprehensively cooperates with extensive domestic and international research institutions and famous multinational companies, employing domestic transformer design expert as advisor to ensure and consolidate advanced state in transformer development. Huguan has invested a large amount of funds to introduce advanced production and test equipment, such as Belgian cross-cutting machine, 1,800 kilowatt lightning impulse test equipment, vertical winding machine, 300 kilowatt gas drying equipment, etc. Every detail in production and testing is strictly controlled by Quality Monitoring Group by heart. In recent years, Huguan has also passed ISO 9001, Environmental Management System Certificate, KEMA Certificate, P3C certification, and a series of domestic and international certificates. By implementing 3-in-1 service system into products, organizing all directional trainings with special guiders for users, tracking product quality for the whole process, we aim to guarantee products' inner quality. At present, Huguang has import and export license. The products have been exported to Europe, America, Africa, Australia, Middle East, Southeast Asia. It has more than 200 agents and over 1,000 sales outlets in the country. It successfully establishes cooperative relationships with more than 20 provincial power companies. The products are used in 3 Gorges Project, Chinese Rocket Technology Institute, Chinese Railway Group, Shogun Group, and other large-scale national key projects. And some are also applied to the reconstruction projects in foreign countries. Employees are the power source and foundation for the enterprise. Huguang continuously improves its management system, developing a variety of industry trainings. Many technical key personnel are sent in batches to study or work outside. Each employee is trained to be skillful. Huguang also irregularly holds various entertainment activities, organizes staff to travel, aiming to enrich their lives and thereby further enhance the team's cohesion. Huguang people never forget to return the community and actively fulfill social responsibility and contribute money and materials. Facing the new century, Huguang people will build Huguang harmony, Huguang strength with brand new posture. It will constantly improve its thoughts with globalization operation concept, gradually realize the development strategy of market globalization and brand internationalization, and march healthily and stably into the world and the future.